All right, guys, we've done the handgun rounds, then we jumped up to the rifle rounds, 5.56, where we saw the rifle rounds cut through the aluminum shell like butter. Get slowed down a little bit with the foam. It stopped with the ballistic backer. Here we're going to jump up to the FNAR, FN Herschel. This is a 308 or 7.62x51 round, XM80. We'll see how it does. There. Love this gun. We just shot this FNAR 7.62x51 with a NATO spec round. Had a pretty tight group of 5 shots here, 2 on 2 and then a single. See, it penetrated the whole skin like butter, right? 50-86 3/16. But as you'll see, with our proprietary backer system for boats, guys are still safe.